Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 1, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, but you can almost open up anything and it should work. Though I will warn you, there are some apps that will not allow it. They do block screenshot taking. One of those apps would be primarily bank account apps and some other ones as well. Once you try to do it, you'll be notified that it's not allowed for some stupid reason, but yeah. So, like I said, home screen will be my capturing subject. So once you have your content open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a sound with this pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will just disappear. There we go. Now once the screenshot disappears, you can find it in Photos application. There we go. And in here you will need to navigate to Library and Screenshots. And you can see it right over here. So there is the screenshot that I have taken. So anyway, that is how you can capture your screenshots and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.